Hello guys, welcome to Generation Rebel. In this video I'll be showing you how to join private servers on Roblox. So here I am currently on my phone, and it is quite a simple process on how to join a server on Roblox. So just follow me in this one. So first of all, we're gonna head over to our Roblox app on our phone right here. And then once you get to our Roblox app, okay, let's just wait for it for a bit. Okay, now that we're here on our Roblox app, I want you to head over here on the triple dots on the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on it, and then you'll see all these multiple options of where to go, but don't worry too much about that. All we need to do is just head over to groups, and then let's just find the group that you know have some private servers. Just find that group. Now let's click on this one. This one, just, I don't know, just random. Then if we scroll down, we're gonna see all these links here, and now we're gonna see their Discord server. And if we click on this button over here, it's gonna send us immediately to their Discord server, something that you can probably find online or just search up on public servers. And now you'll be able to just by going through the groups in Roblox. And that is how you join private servers in Roblox. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Rebel. See you in the next one. Bye bye!